Hi everyone, my name is Annette and this is Chemistry at Glance, and today we're going to practice another equation. I'm sure you saw this equation and it looks like this. Number of moles equals the mass over mR. Some people also write it like this: N equals grams over molar mass. So it can be written either way, however you like, but they both mean the same. Mass, grams, molar mass. I write mR, but you can also write molar mass. It doesn't matter which equation you use, they're going to be exactly the same. So this is our number of moles. This is our mass and molar mass. And now let's try an example. That will be the easiest way to explain this. So our example question is, how many particles is there in 36 grams of water? Although we're not actually asked about the number of moles, and we're not actually asked about this equation, we are asked about the particles instead, but you still Okay, so first thing you should always do is write your equations. N equals mass over mR, and in this case they're asking about particles, so let's just write this equation too. This will be the easiest way. So you have your equations. Now you're asked to find this. But in order to find this, we need N. Do we have a number of moles, small n? No, we don't. But look, there is a little n in the other equation too. Okay, so we want to find n, but do we have mass? Well, yes we do, it's 36 grams. Do we have mR? We're not given the mR, but we know it's water, and we know that water is H2O, and we know that oxygen has an atomic mass of 16, and hydrogen has an atomic mass of 1.01, but we have two of them, so it's 2.02. So altogether, it's going to be 18.02. So, well, yes, we have mass, we have mR, we can find N. Okay, so N is 36 over 18.02, which, when you put in your calculator, gives you 2 moles. Okay, so now we have little n, which is still trying to find the particles. So big N, little n, this is a constant. Okay, so we can find it now. 2 moles, multiply it by the Avogadro's constant, and this gives us 1.2 times 10 to the 24 particles. That's your example done. So whenever you're not sure what to do first, just write the equations you know. So we know we're trying to find the particles, so we write in this equation. But we also have little n here. So what other equation has a little n? Our second equation that we learned today. We have mass, we have mR, we can find the little n, which we can then use in our other equation.